Quality assured with 100% leakage and functional tests of seals, bearings, castings and fully assembled water pump. Fits and performs exactly to OE specifications and requirements. Premium water pumps are designed to enhance the performance of the equivalent standard pump. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Gates water pumps are recognized in the industry for their durability, superior quality and are manufactured for worry-free operations for your vehicle. Every Gates high-quality new water pump is constructed with premium alloy materials and a 100% functional test of seals and bearings along with a 100% leakage test for both the casting and assembled water pump. Get industry best and a guaranteed OE quality fit with Gates. Top reviews from the United States. Well made. Fit just like OEM and it's very well made. I added red RTV to the paper gasket for a better seal.